Okay, Rebecca, are you ready to go see your surprise?
Yeah.
Where is it? Come on, let's go see it. Let's go see it. No, that's not a surprise. An empty box? Although I know you love empty boxes. Okay, keep going. What's over there by the window? Rebecca, what's over by the window? Here. Look over here. You ready? You want to see your surprise?
Yeah.
Okay. What is it? What is that? What is it, Rebecca?
Mommy.
Yes?
Bicycle.
Is that Rebecca's bicycle? Yeah. You want to try it out?
No.
You don't? Yes, you do. You want to get on?
No.
Do you want to ride your bicycle?
Because.
Rebecca, do you want to ride your bicycle?
Because.
Here, look, get on your bicycle. You want to try it?
No.
Here. Look. Bicycle. Bicycle.
Pies.